Solar Bear Challenge! Sometimes late at night I dream of motorcycle riding. I wake up all confused 'cause I'm laying in bed and I thought I was carving canyons. So I can do these lyrical things too. That brings me to a point here that we got to be doing something here. I'm part of this motovlogging community, and it's a little crazy sometimes. We got people all over the place, all over the daggum world, and they're thinking things up, and well, we have a challenge for all of our riders out there and all of us motovloggers. It's called the Solar Bear Challenge, and that's not like the opposite of a full moon bear challenge or something. No, this is solar. We're thinking, I don't know what they're thinking. Why they name it that? They're all confused in the head, I guess. I reckon because half the world is going into hibernation. Maybe it should be the Hibernation Bear Challenge, where you get to see us motovloggers sleeping in our helmets. Maybe that's the next one for next year, guys. I'm just putting it out there because I'm a redneck genius, you know what I mean? Mr. Cletus here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay out to y'all YouTube. To y'all YouTube? Is that even right? I don't know. I'm a grammatical expert, but something about that just don't seem right. To all of you YouTubers, yeah, that sounds like some kind of disease. Did you get the YouTubes? I don't know. Anyway, what in the ding dong was, oh, the Solar Bear Challenge. Well, I tell you what, when you get a bunch of guys on motorcycles all over the ding dong world trying to do something similar but different, you got some messed up videos coming at you. We got guys that talk. We got guys that talk a lot. We got some guys that don't be talking none at all. Then you got guys like me that don't know what they're talking about, but they're geniuses. You got guys talking with from Nepal. Yeah. You don't know what the heck they're saying anyway, because it ain't in English. Woo! That's right, buddy. Just fly by me. In a hurry. Anyway, you got people from Australia and people from Britain. All over the world. What in the ding dong is that? Pumpkin. Pumpkins are slippery. Be careful, folk. Anyway, all over the world with funny accents and whatnot, and they're gonna be putting their skills and their funniness and their seriosity on display for the world to see in this Solar Bear Challenge. We got all kinds of weird stuff that's on here. Some of it's like show your riding experience, your prowess. Yeah, that's a big word for Mr. Cletus there. Show your riding prowess. Yeah, buddy. Show how good you are. Well, you know me. Man, I'll be like wheeling up trees and whatnot. Mr. Cletus, how'd you get that motorcycle up in that tree? That's just how I ride. But you're 100 feet up in there. Well, you know, you're just jealous, boy. You can take one of my 6-day riding schools for only $37,549. Act today, I'll give you $100 off. Anyway, we got stuff like that. We got stuff like, well, MrJoel told me it's an after 8 challenge. So I don't know what the heck that is. You want to see me in my lazy boy, kicking back, picking my teeth, picking dinner up my teeth? I don't know. After 8. I done ate it. That'd be a quick video, wouldn't it? I done ate it. Yep. Oh, maybe he means after 8 o'clock. Is that AM or PM? Is that Greenwich Mean Time or whatever that official line of the new day start time zone is? I don't know. I guess I might have to read some rules or something. You know me. Rules. Like instructions. Kind of optional. I'll do it. But this first one's just saying, hey, tell the whole world about this Solar Bear Challenge! So that's what I've been doing. Y'all knows about it now. Now you make sure that you don't be licking on none of these videos, because that's just plain weird. You click on them. Make sure you put the C there. Anyway, Mr. Cletus signing off for now. Y'all catch me in the next one. See ya. Well, I tell you what, I remember a few of them things Mr. Joel done told me on what this Solar Bear Challenge involves. And I tell you, y'all other ones out there that are doing this challenge, y'all better step up your A game, or at least a B+. I don't know. Because when you talk about lyrical geniuses, and you have to make up some lyrics to a song, well, I just can't go wrong. We're betting on Mr. Cletus, riding around on my motorcycle, trying to feed us. I got nothing there, guys, but anyway, it'll come to me. Yes, sir, hey, Bob, unless your name's Sally. Then yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, Marie. Well, that don't sound right neither. Dadgummit. I tell you what, yes, ma'am, Sally. If your name's Sally, we don't go talking about no glands or nothing. Dang, dong it. I might have just taken away my PG rating on that one. Daggum. Anyway, and then you got a beatboxing contest. I tell you what, man, you dang dong talking about somebody who can throw a beat down in a box. It's Mr. Cletus. That's right. That's right. Throw it down. What in daggone tarnations y'all doing, dude? You wouldn't expect that kind of stuff out in our redneck, would you? Suckers, I tell you what, I'm multi-talented, multifaceted, multi-rednecked ability. Did I just say naked? I'm sorry about that too. Oh man, pushing my PG rating up even farther. We're edging close to PG-13, which I think in 2015, 2016 terms might just be full frontal nudity on a dog. I don't know, because it's confusing as heck, I tell you. PG-13 rating back in 1952 would be something like, you know, Disney. Cartoon. We ain't talking no Hannah Montana banana. No. I tell you what, but y'all watch out. Mr. Cletus, Mr. Joel tag teaming on this thing, because, well, there's a secret involved there, and I don't want to give it away. Anyhow, y'all check us out. Talk to y'all later. Bye.